JEE Mains 4th April 2025 morning session. The mean free path and the average speed of the oxygen molecule at 300 Kelvin. Temperature आपको दे रखा 300 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure दे रखा आपको 3 into 10 की power minus 7 and 600 meter per second respectively. Mean free path का मतलब आपको लैम्बडा दे रखा है, that is 3 into 10 की power minus 7 meter. Average speed यानी v दे रखा है आपको 600 meter per second. सब कुछ ऐसा ही में गिवन है. Find the frequency of collision. We know collision frequency is known as average speed divided by mean free path. You can say this is the average speed divided by mean free path. This is average speed. So what is the average speed? It is given to 600 meter per second. Mean free path is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7. 3 2 जा 6, 2 into 10 की power 2, नीचे से 7 आया तो कितना गया 10 की power 9 and unit is per second. So right answer of the problem will be given by option 3, that is 2 into 10 raised to power 9.